In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a mind map on your board in Chrome. To get started, open your board using the Chrome browser. Using Chrome helps make sure the board loads smoothly and that all the tools you need are available and working properly. Once your board is open, take a moment to get familiar with the layout, especially the toolbar on the left side, because that's where you'll find the tool we need for this process. Next, go to the left toolbar and click on More Apps. This area contains additional tools you can add to your board beyond the standard options. After opening it, select Mind Map. As soon as you do that, the Mind Map tool will become active, which means you're ready to begin building your structure directly on the board. This is a useful way to organize ideas visually, especially if you're planning a project, outlining a topic, or brainstorming connections between different concepts. Now click anywhere on the canvas to place your central topic node. This first node is the main idea of your mind map, so it should represent the core subject you want to build around. Think of it as the starting point for everything else. Placing it on the canvas gives you a clear foundation, and from there you can expand outward in a way that makes your ideas easier to understand at a glance. Once the central topic node is in place, look for the plus signs attached to the node. Click those plus signs to add child branches. Each child branch can represent a subtopic, supporting idea, category, or detail related to your central topic. This is where your mind map starts to take shape. As you add branches, try to keep related ideas grouped logically so the map stays clean and easy to read. A simple, well-organized structure will make it much easier to review later. As you continue adding child branches, you can build out your ideas naturally from the center outward. This approach is especially helpful when you want to capture thoughts quickly while still keeping a clear visual hierarchy. If needed, pause briefly between additions to think about where each branch belongs so your map remains organized from the start. And that's it. By opening your board in Chrome, selecting Mind Map from More Apps, placing your central topic on the canvas, and using the plus signs to add child branches, you can quickly create a clear and useful visual map of your ideas.